Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. समझे? नहीं समझे? आपका जो भविष्य है, जो फ्यूचर है, वो आज पर निर्भर करता है कि आप आज क्या करने वाले हैं, कल पर नहीं कि आप कल क्या करेंगे. बुझे? Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy in your home. In previous video lecture, we have discussed the overview of the chapter Globe, Latitude and Longitude. And if you have not seen that video, then check out the description box, link is given below. Or you may click on I button for it. Now in this video lecture, we will discuss part number 2, Important Parallels of Latitudes. So let's start. From this video, we are going to start our second part from chapter Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. And our second part is Important Parallels of Latitudes. So let's begin with the topic. Now, important parallels of latitude. So as we move away from the equator, the size of the parallel of latitude decrease. Beside equator, what is equator? Equator is an imaginary line running on the globe, divides it into two equal parts, okay, and this line is known as equator. So all the parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called the parallels of latitude. So what are parallels of latitudes? Parallels of latitudes means all parallel circles from the equator up to the pole are called parallels of latitude. Okay, so the north pole at 90 degree north and the south pole at 90 degree south. Now there are four important parallels of latitude, and what are they? They are the Tropic of Cancer. It is on 23 half degree north in the northern hemisphere. Then second is the Tropic of Capricorn. This is on 23 half degree south in the southern hemisphere. Then third is Arctic Circle at 66 half degree north of the equator, and fourth is the Antarctic Circle at 66 half degree south of the equator. Now let's begin these all topics in details. So first of all, we will start with Tropic of Cancer. So here is your equator. Equator is at 0 degree. Okay, so now we will start with our tropics. The two tropics are the two important parallels, and they are individually called the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So first of all, we will discuss about the Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer is the most northern latitude on the earth where the sun can appear directly overhead. Okay, and it is at 23 half degree north, as this Tropic of Cancer lies in north side, so that's why north is written here. Okay, now after this we have Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn is the most southern latitude on the earth where the sun can appear directly overhead, and this case of the sun appearing directly overhead happens once a year in the very height of summer for each of the tropics. Remember that seasons depend on whether you are north or south of the equator. When it's summer, south of the equator, it's winter north of the equator, and it is at 23 half degree south. Means degrees are same, okay, only directions are different. Tropic of Cancer lies in northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn lies in southern hemisphere. Okay, now after this we have our next circle, and that one is Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Okay, so above the Arctic Circle there is a period during the winter when the sun remains below the horizon. The same is true of the Antarctic Circle. During southern hemisphere winter, on June 21st, when the sun is directly over the Tropic of Cancer at noon, it is not visible from below the Antarctic Circle. Or the circles are imaginary lines. Okay, whatever circles you are seeing here, they all are imaginary. Okay, so these all lines are imaginary line that surround the north and the south poles. So this Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, they surround the north and the south pole at 66.5 degree, you may say, or you may say 66 half degree north or 66 half degree south. Okay, the Arctic Circle is a line of latitude at 66 half degree north of the equator, and the Antarctic Circle is a line of latitude at 66 half degree south. Areas north of the Arctic Circle are dark for 24 hours near December 21st, and areas south of the Antarctic Circle are dark for 24 hours near June 21st. Almost all the continents of Antarctic is located to the south of the Antarctic Circle, and this is the frigid zone. Frigid zone means the coolest area. Okay, so this is all about the important parallels of latitude. I'll be joining you in next lecture. You all were watching Edification Seeker, Improvement of Someone. If you like my video, then share with your friends, subscribe my channel, and yes, don't forget to hit bell icon for more videos. Till then, take very good care of yours. Stay home, stay safe. This side Kesha Kushwaha signing off. Bye bye.